These three plants above me are nightshades, and these three plants below me are bindweeds and morning glories. Regardless, they're all in the Solanales order. The biggest family in the Solanales order is the nightshade family, of course, and then the biggest genus in the nightshade family is the Solanum genus, which we'll be including in an iCard over here. We'll also talk about some other genre in the nightshade family. The Solanaceae family of nightshades can be found basically throughout the entire world except Antarctica, and also includes tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, bell peppers, and chili peppers, as well as a couple other crops and plants. Wait, is that a grass spider watching me in the corner? Maybe a potter's grass spider, perhaps? The Solanum genus includes lots of plants like the tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, horse nails, and various other nightshades. Watch that video after this one. But there's also the capsicum genus, which includes bell and chili peppers, as well as petunias, which are pretty cool flowers. On the other hand, we have the Convolvulaceae family, and this one includes bindweeds and morning glories and various other plants. I've already talked a lot about this family, and you'll find more information by this iCard in the corner. After you watch this video, of course. The two main families. There's also some smaller ones, like this one and this one, which I'm too lazy to pronounce. Goodbye.